It's morning on my first little adventure in the van. It's not done yet, but I just couldn't wait to take it out and do some cruising. Here's my breakfast for this morning. Got a little oatmeal, got some coffee, my awesome new to me coffee pot, and my cook stuff. And then there's my bunk. Slept there. It was pretty comfortable last night. I'm in Nebraska, and it was about 40 degrees or so last night, and it stayed pretty warm in here. Except this is an air mattress, so the air inside becomes the temperature of the air outside of the mattress. So regardless of how many blankets you have on there, it gets pretty darn cold. So I'm going to try to switch that up tonight and see if I can sleep on an insulating layer in between the mattress skin and the blankets, and see if that helps. Here it is before. Just got done talking to the guy about how to install it, how much video or how much top to take off. On the inside, got it all set up. Here's the new top. Looks pretty cool. It's got this wax on there, but I'm gonna rub it off. It's gonna look really cool. And then lined out where we're gonna put the fan, all that kind of stuff. A little bit more later. Space. How much space is that? A lot. There's a lot of space there. Man, this goes all the way back in here. Look at all this detailed work that they do. It's all just perfectly lined up. Man, they did a really good job. Now I was going to leave a big shelf back here, but then I talked to him this morning, and then after I figured out how all this is going to lay in, I had him just take it out of there, and then I'll put my own board across here, maybe 1 inch thick plywood or something along those lines, and then I can create my own storage space up there. This up front, they left this piece like they said, it's right by the headliner here. And man, this is, gosh, that's got to be 3.5, almost 4 feet worth of space. And then this is super tall. It kind of tapers a little bit, but shoot, that is tons of storage space. So we'll get a shot from the back real quick. Say hi. Betty and Gonzalo.
Hello.
Thank you guys. Woo. All right. We'll take a look in here, get a better idea what this looks like. So there we go. Man, changed the look of the van, that's for sure. Wonder what that's going to do for gas mileage. Oh well. And buy a van for gas mileage. Pretty sharp. Nice job. got cows up here. Just wandering through camp. That's pretty funny. No big deal. Just people camping here. Cows walking through. It's all good. Welcome to Arizona. Man, that's funny.